Good afternoon, everyone. This is slightly problematic. 1 second as I work my phone around it. There we go. Untangled. Freedom. Now, if I'm correct, my microphone should be going, and if not, that's worrisome for later. So, we got Le Markiplier'S calendar. Let me see if there's anything I don't want to show up in here. No, you guys don't have to look at that. Let's just open up the glorious thing. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, God. Ow, I almost tripped on my cord. Ow. It's long. It goes down to my shins. Or past my shins, actually. Let's go in the beautiful light. So we can see Markiplier'S. I can't stop wheezing at this. Why did I buy this? He signed it. Markiplier touched this. Oh, the almighty Lord of YouTube has touched this. Oh, July. Oh, I hope I don't get caught. That's beautiful. Oh, God, why is this a thing? Oh, I love this. I'm loving this already. Dark. Darky boy. Let's see. November. Okay, then. Okay. Okay, then, Mark. That's nice. I do not want to wake up to that. Preferably not, Mark. Not today. No, Wilford, bad. Why is Mark like that? Okay, why is this getting worse and worse, but better and better at the same time? Shut up, nurse. Yes, please. High quality. We're not gonna... Just for the sake of my channel, we're just gonna focus on Mark's eyes. Mark's beautiful eyes. Anyways, moving on. King of the Squirrels, of course. It had to be done. Oh, the poor photo guys. Jim. Demons, Jim! Demons! I don't get this one. Oh, it's Bingaplier. Now I get it. Why is this a thing? At the same time, I love it, but at the same time, I don't. Markiplier Taste Wonders calendar. Here's the Markiplier logo. Oh, God. Oh, too bad these were limited time only. I think. 25,000 calendars. Rest in peace, Mark. I hope your hands are okay from signing 25,000 calendars. But you raised money. Now I'm gonna go hang this somewhere where I don't have to wake up to it. I don't know, later on. Now I just gotta go tell CJ that it came in the mail. I'm gonna send him this video. And he can watch it later and he'll probably say, oh, hey, something like this. Boy, why did you buy that? I don't understand why I bought it. I bought it because I wanted it. Okay? Anyways, gaming. My little Deadpool boy. The attaboy. Deadpool. Console controls, because I can't do PC. Yahoo. And I think we're good to go. Sayonara! Or wait, no, actually, wait, that's Japanese. What's the Hawaiian word for it? Dang it, I forgot. Anyways, bye.